Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, man. And tap big E on the hammer time. This one is called hammer time. And it's large. Hammer time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk about scarfing, you're just bluffing. You won't do nothing, you'll be running. But when I catch you, with no one to back you, blood I'll pack you. What will you do? You'll be bleeding, at the same time pleading. You'll be needing doctors treating. So your boy scattered, and you got battered, ribcage shattered.
Who's this guy?
Brutal geek,
Main objective,
making beats.
boy wanna clash me.
Stop that please.
Ain't got time for
Swag MC.
Now that I'm moving
Quickly,
fair man they wanna
lick me
ready cause I move
swiftly.
on the productionist.
And on the vocal, this brutism. Work in the track, yeah, you know the dizzle. Hold your mouth, don't say we when you get bored up. Bad to put chisel, brutal, aka brutism. I'm on the mic, so you know the dizzle. Don't say we when you get bored up. Bad to put chisel. You go to the room and I'll lock that door. Then straight for the things I'll draw. Not for the things that I use them for, but things that I draw to leave the contour. Now, I'm gonna try more things, close the door, things on the floor, rotate. Standard back to hardcore things, living her rep, just staying on the floor. Yeah. Brutal geezer. Guy them know I'm the boom boom geezer. Quick bands ain't got time for the teasers. Condom, so I don't catch no disease. No. Brutal geezer. Guy them know I'm the boom boom geezer. Quick bands ain't got time for the teasers. Condom, so I don't catch no disease. Brutal geezer, straight gold hearted. If you chat shit, then your head get parted. Ears get smashed, nose get slanted. Clear evidence that you shouldn't have started. Ain't no slums, but don't ever try pass through on your ones, cause I make a word shoot like say I've got a gun. So next time don't run up, please, I'm too far. I won't let that slide. Come with the hype, talk, you will get high. Boy, try ting, then we collide and no long thing. Your boat will get slide straight. Head get past with a brick. Never take brutes for prick. Boy, hold it, turn for the blitz. Get big E to empty the clips. Yeah. Okay. Well, when the hype best stop that fool, you get hit with a mic. Okay. Cause I got ramping, you know when I get your weed, like head stamp. Okay. Try while out, get a size 9 shoe straight to you. Like okay. Boy, when I clash, if you murk me, then you get your head top smashed. Standard. I don't care anymore, cause there's too many donuts trying to bring more. Man, I'm sent for the big tour, you will get bored, get left on the floor with blood on your door. So, don't act rough. Trust me, Ruber, you don't wanna stop. Jab, right hook, you will get snuffed, get left with a broken nose and stuff. You don't wanna hide, cause I don't care. Arms, legs, I'm chopping off. When I spit fingers right to the air, shake the guns and start popping off. See the movement of the people, they go crazy when I touch mic. And you know that we are not equal, no, when they're blood, we're not alike. You don't wanna fight, cause I don't ramp. Arms, legs, I'm ripping off. You chat shit, your head will get stamped. After that, get a good kicking off. I will work you on the mic with brutal bars and brutal flow. I will also work you in a fight, leave brutal stars and brutal blows. Yeah.